Hey guys, welcome to Violy's Home and Garden. Look, we have fans, nice fans. This is for the Philippines. So you got a lot of them. I think it's 4 something. Very nice fans. So we're gonna send it to the Philippines. We're home now.
It's awfully humid here and it's affecting the lens, so I think this is good enough to show you. These are lamps, ceiling fans that we got yesterday. There's everything there. There's 1, 2, 3. There were like 5 beautiful lamps, and we're using them, and I'm going to be replacing one of these with it. And this, so if you can see in here, oh my goodness, I'll get back with you. Quite often when we're looking for things that people have thrown out, themes occur. In this case, you see these lamps, all brand name, were tossed along with the ones one of these that I'm going to use. And my wife, she's putting together a box to send to the Philippines, to her home, with a lot of gadgets that people have thrown out that they can use over there. To them, it's trash. To the people who are going to get these, they're things that can really help them. Anyway, let me get back and I'll show you how the fan was not how to install the fan, but how the fan looks after it's been installed. I'm not an electrician, so I don't want to show anything that would be wrong. So anyway, watch.
Good morning guys, welcome to Violy's Home and Garden. This is my grandson.
Excuse me. So one time, Mimi had a squirrel on her window, and she opened the window and gave the squirrel some food.
I see.
Is that nice?
And this is the fence that my husband and I found yesterday. We have 4 of them. So we upgrade our fence inside the house. And this is for the Philippines. Again, it's free. And I have a toaster oven. I'm gonna send it to the Philippines.
Look, I broke it.
And then I have TVs. That's for the Philippines, for my mom. And we have 1 monitor for the games and computer. And we have 2 small ones TVs here also for the Philippines. And this is the fans, ceiling fans that we find also. This is for the Philippines. We have 4 of them because right now we renovate. We have renovation my mom's house, so we're gonna have probably 2 fans upstairs and 2 fans downstairs. So this is free, guys. And this is also for my nieces, the whole set. My nephews, gonna give it to them. And you see, it's brand new. I don't think they use it at all, so that's great. And this is the box that I'm putting it together. I'm still gonna buy food to put in the box. See, I have a lot of different stuff in the box. So I'm gonna rearrange it next week. So yeah, guys, everything is free. Look at this. All of this in my garage and my 3 exercise are free. All the bikes. And we have 7 TVs up there. We have 3 65 inches and smaller ones. All these are free. Even the Shark's vacuums are free. I mean everything, guys. What I have here in a garage, it's free also. All the bikes. Of course, my husband, he give a lot of hundreds of bikes to share up department. He donates a lot of bikes for the people who need it. So that's great.
And my wife, Violy, she wants me to replace this ceiling light with a fan. It gets hot out here in the back porch, and we have a selection of fans to replace it with, and they're out here in the garage. And it's just a matter of what she wants. Again, these are let me get back with you. It's very humid right now, and it's affecting the lens. Now this is the replacement for the chandelier that was there earlier. Once again, I'm not going to show the installation. It's easy to do though. And we also got, that someone threw out, was this beautiful swan fan. As you can see, the glass itself, a one-piece pour, and the swan features of the fan blades. Now, in the place of the fan in the back porch, it was here, and of course someone tossed out this fan, and it was all free. So there you have it. We'll be showing you more things, and once again, this is what people throw out. Why would you throw out such nice things? We have them. We'll show you how to get them. Thank you for watching.